A woman is the one who makes the home to stand. Chuoginle. I want to be very truthful like my mother. You know, men are neither here nor there. I never saw my father come home sober. The guy was drunk 24/7. No jabari yen. I kept mama no gole. The man no hero. No gole dalani. You know, this home behind here. It's very historical. That house there. Manoka datinda. My mother no biro piro nenya mengi. The jabari yen. Manebaro yen ne datinda. Mano choko kong. Mama mo fall in love with. Love is blind. Hallelujah. So I want to speak to you. Gwengni, as Peter Onono had said, has been built by the sweat of women who knew what they wanted for their families. Gwengni teni lele gwengni, because women who were brought here from Kabondo, Kanu, knew what they wanted in Nyakach. Koro in kidenyo dogi ka ne churiok mi no ato ne wuotho gi punda nyaka Sondu. No kenya mi tedo ni nyithindi. She never left us to go hungry. Mama, fight to feed your children. Nyaka nyithindi yud gimoro kata ochamo mana dongo nyayuora. Ing'eyo dongo nyayuora? Ing'eyo dielo? Ing'eyo atipa? Ing'eyo awayo? Bise chamo? Mole chak. We ate it all. Inoke this school to nyithindi nyaka this school mondo rom gi jomo this school. It is a master equalizer. Iwuor ni kata nyithindo ok nyal ng'iyo ni kata book gi kalam. Hey, you're spending too much money on your phone calling people, but you can't provide food at home. Tinde nyithindo ok dwa somo, they don't want to go to school. Or gimula mula book, or girango, or no som kinange. Tomboka. Richo metimonge. Gwengini nyithindo madho njaga. From class 4. Kongo. Nokagwuotho kage gore pinka. It's a shame. To wane mwa uso kongo to nyithindo madho. To gikwelo pukano gi.